What's up guys? Stop faffing around with that chemical firelighter liquid stuff and some rolled up bits of newspaper. I'm going to show you how to make a fire in seconds using just 3 pieces of equipment. Let's go! So a lot of people have said to me they don't really know how to start a fire for cooking, and as I said before, you just need 3 things. First of all, natural fire lighters. You can get these in most good garden centres. They are literally wood dipped in wax, and so they burn for a long time. You literally just need one of them, and it's way better than burning that chemical crap that you get from the forecourts of petrol garages. Number 2. Kindling. You can cut this yourself, or you can buy bags of it pretty much anywhere. Garden centre, petrol station, supermarket, they all have them, and this is great for getting your fire going. Number 3, you are going to want a badass lighter. Now actually this is technically a blowtorch, but honestly having one of these is invaluable when it comes to lighting a fire. It's going to make it so much quicker and easier. You can pick one of these up from Amazon for like 12, 15 pounds. They're refillable. Brilliant. Right, this is going to happen super fast, so blink and you'll miss it. Get your fire lighter, you just need one. Center of your fire pit. So you want to make a bit of a wigwam type structure. Don't worry too much about what it looks like. And then set light to your fire lighter. A bit of wood over there. And your fire's set up. So as you see, the kindling is starting to take very, very quickly. As soon as the kindling starts to take, you know, you've got fire. At this point, we can now grab a bigger bit of wood, a log, put it on, and soon you'll be able to start cooking. Now what you want to do if you're cooking with the fire is let it flame and be really, really hot, and then as it dies down, you get embers. That's when you want to cook. You don't want the heat of flames. You want to wait until it's died down. So patience is really important. So guys, I hope that was helpful, especially if you're a bit unsure about lighting a fire for cooking. If you have any more questions, make sure you leave a comment below and I'll be happy to answer them. Make sure you click the like button and click subscribe and the bell notification, because everyone likes a bell and you will get notified every time a new video of mine comes out. Thanks again for watching, and make sure you check out some of the other videos which are coming up on the end card now. Peace!